Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox Studio on mobile Android. Unfortunately, Roblox Studio is not officially available for Android devices. It's designed for desktop operating systems like Windows and Mac OS. Attempting to download unofficial versions can expose your device to security risks, including malware and data breaches. Always prioritize official sources for software to protect your personal information and device integrity. The primary reason for this limitation is the complex nature of game development. Roblox Studio requires precise controls, typically a keyboard and mouse, and a larger screen for efficient workflow. Mobile devices generally lack the processing power and memory needed to run such a demanding application smoothly. Its interface is also optimized for a desktop environment, making it challenging to adapt to smaller touchscreens. While direct installation isn't possible, you do have a couple of alternative approaches. One option is to use a remote desktop application, allowing you to control your computer running Roblox Studio from your Android device. This isn't ideal for intensive development, but can be useful for quick checks. The best method remains developing on a dedicated desktop or laptop computer for the full experience. To ensure the best possible game development experience, we strongly recommend using a desktop or laptop computer. These devices offer the necessary screen real estate, processing power, and input methods for Roblox Studio. Always download software from official channels to avoid security vulnerabilities. Focus on creating your games on a robust platform and then enjoy playing them on your mobile Android device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.